Hello and welcome. My name is Alex and I'm the engineer here at Equation. At Equation we have developed an automatic generator starter system with a built-in automatic transfer switch. This system has been designed for small to medium-sized businesses as well as home users for their generator needs. It can be installed onto all generators with an electric starter motor with or without an automatic choke. For the systems without an automatic choke, we have developed an automatic choke system that can be retrofitted to your generator. So, our system here consists of an automatic transfer switch, which will automatically transfer the load to and from the mains electricity. Our battery and battery charger, which ensures that the system is constantly powered throughout periods of load shedding or power failures. Our sensing module and starter module, which senses the presence of mains electricity and starts the generator should that mains fail, and then turns the generator off when the mains returns. This light bulb here represents our load. This light bulb will turn off when the mains power goes down, as well as when the generator is down. It will then turn back on when either the mains or the generator is up. So without further ado, let's get into a demo. This is our power coming in. So when I turn the switch down here, it will represent a power failure. We will see that the light will turn off, the generator will then start, and the automatic transfer switch will transfer the load to come from the generator rather than the mains electricity. I'll then let the generator run for a short period. I'll then turn the mains power back on, which will then automatically transfer the load to come from the mains. The generator will then run for a short period of time to cool down sufficiently. In this demo it's about 10 seconds. But in the real world system, the generator cools down for a period of about a minute, just so that it's sufficiently cooled before we turn it off. Okay, let's get into it. Turn the mains off, generator should start. Simple as that. Generator's off and ready for the next use. Additionally, the system is built in can come with a notification system, which will email or SMS you when the generator has started, when it has stopped, and when the mains comes back on, comes back off. Additionally, we recommend installing a UPS in line with the load so that the light bulb, essentially the load, is never goes down and will have constant power throughout the transition from the mains to your generator. For more information, please go to www.equation.co.za. Thank you.